Hello and welcome to this video on the origins of medicine. In this video, we'll explore the history of medicine from ancient times to the present day and learn about just a couple of the key figures and developments that have shaped the field. Today, medicine is a highly complex and diverse field that encompasses a wide range of specialties and subspecialties. It is based on a combination of scientific knowledge, clinical experience, and evidence-based practice, and it is constantly evolving as new technologies and treatments are developed. But the origins of medicine were not always rooted in science and experiment. Disease and pathology have plagued humanity since our very origin, but it is only very recently that we learned how to systematically study and treat disease. The history of the great triumphs of medicine can be traced back to our oldest surviving evidence of therapeutic medicine in the human race. Yes, the origins of medicine can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where medical practices were developed to treat a wide variety of ailments. These early medical practices were often based on superstition and folklore, and they often involved the use of herbs, plants, and other natural substances to treat illness. As civilizations developed and knowledge about the human body and disease increased, medicine began to evolve. The ancient Egyptians, for example, developed a sophisticated system of medicine that included the use of surgery, pharmacology, and a set of medical texts known as the Ebers Papyrus. The Ebers Papyrus is an ancient Egyptian medical text that dates back to around 1550 BC. It is named after George Ebers, a German Egyptologist who discovered the papyrus in the 19th century. The Ebers Papyrus is one of the oldest known medical texts and is considered an important historical document in the study of the history of medicine. It contains more than 700 medical and magical formulas, as well as descriptions of a wide range of medical conditions and their treatment. Some of the topics covered in the Ebers Papyrus include surgical procedures, such as surgery for abscesses and wounds, gynecology and obstetrics, including descriptions of childbirth and fertility, treatment of eye diseases, treatment of infectious diseases such as smallpox and dysentery, use of herbal remedies and other natural substances to treat illness, magic spells and incantations to treat illness. The Ebers Papyrus provides valuable insights into the medical practices and beliefs of ancient Egypt and is a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of early medical practitioners. It is now housed in the library of the University of Leipzig in Germany. Hippocrates and Galen from the ancient Greeks. The ancient Greeks also made significant contributions to the field of medicine, with the works of philosophers such as Hippocrates and Galen laying the foundations for modern medical principles. Hippocrates was a Greek physician who was believed to have lived in the 5th century BC, around 460 to 375 BC. Hippocrates is considered one of the most important figures in the history of medicine. He is often referred to as the father of medicine, and his ideas and teachings have had a lasting impact on the field of medicine. One of the most significant contributions of Hippocrates was his emphasis on the importance of observation and the scientific method in the practice of medicine. He believed that medical treatment should be based on a thorough understanding of the patient's symptoms and the underlying causes of their condition, rather than on superstition or tradition. Hippocrates also recognized the importance of a healthy lifestyle in maintaining good health and preventing illness. He advocated for a balanced diet, regular exercise, and moderation in all things as key components of a healthy lifestyle. In addition to his contributions to the practice of medicine, Hippocrates is also known for his work on medical ethics. He believed that doctors should be guided by a set of ethical principles, including the obligation to do no harm and to treat all patients with respect and compassion. These principles form the basis of the Hippocratic Oath, which is still taken by many doctors today. Overall, the contributions of Hippocrates have had a profound influence on the development of medicine and continue to shape the way that medical care is provided today. Over time, advances in science and technology have continued to shape the practice of medicine. The discovery of microorganisms and their role in disease, for example, led to the development of antibiotics and other antimicrobial therapies. The development of vaccines and immunization programs has also played a major role in improving public health and reducing the incidence of infectious diseases. In conclusion, the history of medicine is a long and fascinating story that spans thousands of years. From ancient civilizations to the present day, medicine has evolved and grown, thanks to the contributions of many dedicated individuals who have worked to improve our understanding of the human body and how to treat illness. I hope you enjoyed this video on the origins of medicine and learned something new about this important and fascinating field. Like and subscribe for more content on the history of medicine.